Did you know that there is actually no end of a rainbow?
So is that where we're gonna find GT4?
Yeah. We're going left here? It says left.
Good morning, comrades. It's actually morning.
It is morning. It's not 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
It is.
It's not 9 PM.
It is.
Pretending that it's fucking 2 AM that you're starting early.
Yeah, it's actually morning, yes. So, as mentioned in one of the previous vlogs, long time ago, we are going to pick up Porsche Cayman GT4 of our friend track car. Show me your excited face.
It's too early for excited face. I would be more excited if we had taken a GT3 for myself. But
GT3 RS, that would be nice.
no, I mean, I'll be settled for a GT3. I'm not that fussy. Probably be the right thing to do. Well, look, we're here for a customer pickup, European delivery. I am.
Oh no, it's sold already.
Come on, let's go and give some Porsches
That's
some
my
bad press.
favorite spec, Ruby Stone Red.
This one?
Yes,
Yeah, look.
absolutely love it. That's really the only car that I care about here.
What did you get?
Why is there like no 911 sprinkled cacao?
Should we give them idea?
Maybe. Do it.
Just maybe gets up,
Just
goes
stop
behind the bar
putting
and
that
like,
camera in my face like just that.
basically you have to.
Oh, look, there's so many of us. So a bit about the schedule for today. Right now we're at the museum. Later on we're gonna have a factory tour where we're not allowed to film, and then we will pick up the actual car. So in the museum they have here their own workshop where they maintain all of the cars. And look at that GT1 just randomly. And there is the Rockman's Le Mans car. This is where I need like Adrian with fancy B-rolls and music and stuff. 917, my favorite. Just missing the Golf livery. The long version of 917. And then of course the pink pig. The turbo number 1 from 1974. 935. Ah, the Dakar 959s. Oh look, it's upside down. Oh, what is this? 944 convertible. Like it. Ah, the Dakar. This looks sick. The OG RSR. Well, actually this is the OG RSR. My favorite. Ruby Stone Red 964 RS. Ah, the OG GT3 RS. Oh look, they have a prototype.
I wonder why there's still discs on the prototype.
Why is it right-hand drive too?
I don't know, American spec?
What?
American?
George, come on. Love the rawness of the prototype. All the duct tape. It's also there just like to make you think things that they are not there. We need to have this as a taxi.
Well, this would be the most
OG
taxi.
GT2.
I wonder if these BBSs are cracked.
Oh, don't say it too loud. GT1 from up close. That booty. RSR. Ah, GT3R hybrid. It raced in 24 hours, I believe. And the Coca-Cola car. Why it has plates on it?
Yeah.
Because it's the homologation special.
This was road legal?
Yeah.
Oh, I never knew that.
They had to make like what, 10 of them or something.
No, I never knew
So you have this one, then the what's the Mercedes called? CLK GTR, and then this, and then
I've never seen
McLaren F1. Yeah, they needed one road legal car for homologation. Oh look, it's the 919 Evo with a Nürburgring launch life a time of 5 minutes 19. Sort of a goosebumps happening here. First time I'm seeing this car again. 919 RSR. Too bad it never made into production. Look at those side pipes. And a cooler for your 4090 RTX. Oh, there's a flux capacitor. 33 horsepower. You know what it really impresses me in this whole museum? And there's actually like no barriers, no links, no whatsoever, no ropes. You can literally touch the cars. I'm sure, unfortunately, some people probably even do that, but it still gives it like really unique, inviting atmosphere. The first EV from 1898. 90-kilometer range, not that bad. That's it for the museum. Now we're on to factory tour, where we're not allowed to film. The factory tour was amazing. It was really impressive to see the combination of manual labor and also the robot stuff, especially the modern factory where the Taycan is being assembled was really something else. And the food, phenomenal, absolutely worth it. Now we're back at the first building where we were this morning to actually pick up the GT4. Good spec.
Yeah, it's a colour that looks. I've never seen this colour in a GT4.
Yes, if the car should go missing and you don't have both keys, the insurance doesn't pay. You know, warranty is valid also on the racetrack, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
But the thing is, as soon as you participate in a stock race
Competition,
Yeah,
then
you,
it's
you
not-
cannot do like racing actually or time trials or anything because then
well,
it's-
then that moment the guarantee is gone.
Yeah. I've never had to tape a new car up before. Blackfish and now are just going.
10 hours later. Perfect. Perfect PPF. Oh no. George, you missed the spot.
I'm gonna go back over in a minute, don't worry.
No, you should, yeah. Smells so new.
I mean, it's done 9 miles. Oh, it's in miles. Let's go.
Yeah, it's US spec.
Okay, bye.
I'm surprised it's PDK and not manual because American spec. Oh, that's the brother Volkswagen. Werkswagen.
The mirror's magnified and it's horrible.
Yeah, it's US.
Oh, it's so bad.
Oh, look.
Oh, that's
Fancy.
fucking. That's cool. Let's
Ooh,
see if I can-
McLaren. So we had to take a little drive to McLaren in near Stuttgart because that's where we left the trailer last night. Maybe we can go have a look at some cars. Senna GTR, something we may have seen before, I think. And I'm back at the blue wrapped car again.
Front lip.
Front lip.
Just raise the jockey a little bit.
Yeah.
Good. What's the front?
Yeah, perfect.
Fucking roadwork.
Can go a bit more.
Just leave it on the floor.
That's it. Good as
Never complain about roadworks. They come in useful.
me with my fat face.
Why are you with your phone?
The right side is fat.
Yeah, because
I'm
you're
swollen.
focusing just on that.
Yeah. Swelling. You take off metal plates, then I'm good. All good. Then off we go. Fast forward to Apex. The car made it safely back in one piece. Good job, George, on the blue foil. In the meanwhile, just moving some cars around to put the Cayman on a trailer inside. Tomorrow it will go, by the way, to PPF. Just a quick check at Apex if there's anything beautiful, fancy. Move GT6 out of the way, which, by the way, has its hail damage restored because it got destroyed by hail earlier in May in the year, but it got fixed now. Oh, good. So this goes on the spot of the. What's that? By the way, is that a TVR? Oh no, Noble. Nice. Do you need any help, or you good?
No, I'm good, man.
Okay, then I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, cool.
Bye.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I guess that's kind of it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experience. So thank you very much, Mr. Track Car, for showing us how European delivery works like. I hope you guys enjoyed this different type of content, and looking forward to be taking out the GT4 on track, hopefully at some point, eventually, soon. Maybe not even on the Nürburgring alone. But stay tuned for that, subscribe, like and share. And traditionally wise, here's some food chat from yesterday when we had some fancy stuff at the African restaurant, including silk worms. Yep, enjoy. Nice.
This is the food shop that no one wants.
Yeah. She has some pancake for the starter.